is nothing worse than the painful sore and blisters of herpes. The stigma attached to it can even be a worst nightmare. The constant pressure of the next outbreak and the fear of infecting others will hold you hostage. If you're feeling helpless and are fed up with medications that don't seem to have any effect on you, then Herpa Greens could be the natural solution you have been looking for. In the Consumer Companion, we are reviewing Herpa Green, a natural aid to cure against the herpes virus. Watch till the end to know how it works and can benefit you to treat one of your haunting encounters ever. So, what is Herpa Greens? Herpa Green is a natural dietary supplement that helps you to treat and reduce the recurrent outbreak of any particular kind of herpes virus infection. The ingredients present in the formula are specifically meant to search, uncloak and destroy even the rigid, tough and hiding herpes virus from your body to give you complete relief from sores and blisters. With 20 years of independent medical research, this formula was created by Coda Morgan, a former Special Ops combat medic in the US Army, along with the scientist and specialist in germ warfare Chris Ellis. Ingredients and other benefits. Herpa Green is a blend of 57 ingredients consisting of vitamins, cleansing herbs, prebiotics, probiotics, and grade A nutrients which are free from soy, gluten, additives, and dairy. For a better understanding, we can classify ingredients into 4 categories: the superfood antioxidant and mushroom blend, the nutrient-dense blend of natural herbs and extracts, the prebiotic fiber and digestive enzyme complex, the probiotic blend. All these massive lists of ingredients work together to give you the benefits such as prevention of the recurrent outbreak of herpes by treating both oral HSV-1 and genital HSV-2, decrease the pain caused by the blisters and sores. Along with these major functions, it also helps to enhance brain functioning, increases the energy level, and strengthens your immune system, etc. How does it work? A herpes virus infection is caused when the virus starts to infect and clone the billions of healthy cells in your body. This severe infection affects both your face and your genitals. The worst thing about the herpes virus is that it can hide inside your nervous system, making it really hard for the immune systems to identify and kill them. So, Herpa Green disrupts the herpes virus DNA strain by blocking its crucial protein called LAD1. This forces the virus to surrender before the immune system and it wipes out the infectious germs completely. Thus, we can say that the supplement works in 2 phases called the search phase and destruction phase for a complete attack against the infection herpes virus. Dosage, usage and availability. Herpa Green comes in a powdered form for easy consumption. The users have to mix 1 scoop of the supplement with a glass of water or can even consume it with regular drinks like smoothies or shakes as you prefer. Without intermittent breaks, one has to consume it for at least 2 to 3 months, and within the weeks of usage, you will start to notice fewer outbreaks. The supplement is convenient for everyone except pregnant, nursing women, people who have a history of allergies or under any prevailing medication. Thus, consulting your healthcare professional before starting the consumption can prevent you from getting negative impacts. Other than that, the formula is completely safe with its natural formulation, and anyone from an age limit of 16 to 80 can consume this supplement without any specified prescriptions. At this moment, Herpa Green is only available on the official website, so the customer should check before purchasing to avoid ordering it from any fake websites. Results and longevity. Typically, the benefits of the supplement will stay up to 1 to 2 years if the supplement is consumed without taking any breaks in between and followed by healthy life habits. Therefore, long-term consumption is preferred by both the manufacturers and the doctors to attain ultimate results. Bonus: the supplement also comes with 2 e-books that can guide you to achieve a healthy body free from any infections. The bonus e-books are Ageless Body, Perfect Health, Secret Kitchen Curses, Little Known Remedies that Make Pills Useless. Only people who went through suffering and humiliation know what it is to be affected by the herpes virus infection. More than the pain of the infection, the stigma can be hurtful. You don't have to go through it all anymore. Being consistent with the Herpa Green, you won't have to encounter such worse scenarios in your life ever again. We know the video was informative and engaging because you have reached the end of a review. For the ease of purchase, Please check the description box and keep watching the Consumer Companion, and of course, don't forget to like and share the video.